Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how we can create background. Let's click letter L, line, and change the color. Make it longer. Duplicate it, change the color. And the last one. Okay. We can make it bigger. Okay, so now I will download it as PNG file. Inside the page. And now we can go to top menu, edit image, and choose Liquify Effect. And here you go. So next we can copy this line, copy once again, and once again copy and rotate it. And now I will download it as PNG file. Let's add a page. I'll go to edit image, Liquify Effect, and choose other effect, and we can adjust it. And here you go. What interesting background we got. And once again, I am choosing this lines, copy it, here copy, and now I will rotate, make it bigger, like this. Duplicate it and rotate it. Like this. Okay, and now I will download it. Make it bigger. Let's go to edit image, Liquify Effect. Let's try another effect, and here we can adjust it. Click apply. And once again, I go to Liquify Effect, and now I'm choose Smooth, and enter it, and once again, I will go to Spin and adjust it. And here you go. We have three backgrounds which we made from the lines. And let's do the last time. I will duplicate this lines, copy it, and now copy and duplicate it, and we have more lines. So now I am downloading this picture as PNG. Let's add page. Make it bigger. And now we can play with Liquify effect. So I'm choosing flow, adjust it, now we can smooth it a little bit. And we have really great background. I like it. Don't forget like and subscribe for more content. And see you in the next tutorial.